Happy New Year, everybody, from our family to yours. I'm hoping for lots of love, happiness, and peace in 2024. Hello and welcome. Today I am doing a pour on this lovely round canvas. I'm just first of all giving it a base coat, which is just my normal acrylic paint, and just spreading it nicely over the canvas. The beginning of this video I had to do a voiceover, but I am speaking further on in the video. So over my lovely creamy colour, which isn't white, it's actually cream, I am putting this gorgeous deep purple. It was the Global Impasto, and I added a bit of the dioxazine purple to it in the high flow paints. So I'm going to see if I can get any cells to come up just with that simple one colour and a swipe. So there was tiny little pinhole sort of champagne cells, but nothing too exciting. So what I'm doing now is the black is the Amsterdam Black with Floetrol. So I'll make it up in these bottles so it's ready to use. I mean, it's very inexpensive because you use such a little tiny bit of it, but you see the difference it actually makes to the cells. Look at that. There's just no comparison at all. The cells just pop right up straight away. Really lovely, lovely lacy cells. So it's this kind of offset composition that I wanted to do on this round. So I'm just hoping and praying that it works out as planned. So that black that I added into the swipe was the Amsterdam Black with Floetrol only. So look at the difference it made to the effects than when I just did the other paint and Floetrol. Just made a huge effect. So I just wanted to show you that because it's absolutely gorgeous. Look. Gorgeous, gorgeous. On with the next bit. Rightio. Next bit, I hope that I don't stuff this up because I really, really love that now. So I'm going to put some of the, this is the deep purple, and I've added a good squirt of the, let me show you. It's the High Flow, the Global High Flow, and this one's dioxazine purple. I add a good squirt to my paint and it really makes such a deep, gorgeous effect. Like really highly pigmented now it's had that. Maybe I should have actually done the swipe from the other side because I feel I'm going to lose those now with what I'm going to do next, but that's okay. So this is, I'm calling it my Desert Rose. It was the Pearl Mist with a dash of this. So it's made of pearl, sort of, well, I'm calling it my desert rose because it's a custom colour. Desert rose. I'll pour a bit more of that very dark. Oh no, I did that there, didn't I? Very dark purple on top. I didn't know whether to do these effects with a balloon or with blowing them out, so I think I'll blow them out. Now the colour that I've been just crazy about that's going with this purple, so lovely, is this. It's called Wattle. Oh, is it Wattle? Hang on, let me double check. Oh my goodness, where did I put it? Can't even find it. I think it's Wattle. Yeah, oh, Wicker. Rightio, and I'm going to put some of that black. So it kind of acts as a cell activator. This is just the Amsterdam and Floetrol. So let's see what I can get out of that. Makes me cough. Oh dear. I just wanted that on the very edge. It's made me cough. Let's see what I can do with this. It looks a bit weird. Maybe I'll try. It's got some lovely cells in it. Maybe I'll just finish it off with the baby balloon. Just in the centre. Ooh, oh, look at that. That's nice. I love this composition just on the side like that. I'm really happy with that. That was easy to do. It looks very effective because that will look just beautiful with a coat of either the matte varnish on it. You can resin it to bring those colours up, but love the simplicity of that one. That is just gorgeous. I love that. Can you let me know what you guys think? You love it or you on the wall about it? But everybody's got different opinions and everybody's got different tastes, so I'm really happy with that. So all in all, really, it's when you're doing the art, it's what makes you happy. So that has given me joy. Those colours are simple, very few, and really yeah, really statement piece. So hope you like it, and I will be back again tomorrow with my crazy antics, and I will say bye for now. You take care, people. If you're feeling sad, lonely, upset, if you're on your own in this holiday season, please ring a friend or a family member or a helpline if you're feeling really that you need to. Don't suffer in silence. Mwah! Big love to all of you. Take care until tomorrow. Bye for now.